This whole creep was seen crawling across this yard late at night on December 4th, 2021. On August 27th, 2022, this youngster tried to rob the uploader while threatening him with a knife and acting tough until the uploader produced a bat. A male who looked to be in his late teens or early 20s approached this person to ring the doorbell in the video. The man is carrying a brick and looking directly into the lens. He then attempts to damage the camera by smashing it with a brick. Police were notified of the event, however. They have not yet been able to locate the offender. In this clip from Philadelphia, Pennsylvania, a lady is seen looking for unlocked doors for an unsettling motive. Look out for your shipments because this doorbell video demonstrates how out of control these crooks have become. The culprit in this robbery gone awry is seen rushing away so quickly that they might as well have turned into the Flash. At about 1:45 in the morning, this guy rang the doorbell about 15 times.
Hello? Hey. What's up? Hey, can you call me a ride? No, I can't come.
Take note of the wristband and bag the hospital released. According to the uploader, he was probably just freed a few streets away. This TikTok's uploader has written, "I experienced a burglary attempt last week. Since then, I've been reviewing the footage from my doorbell camera, and I was able to catch them this time. I also called the police and discovered they had tried my neighbors." In this footage, a man is seen standing on the front porch of the homeowner while concealing something beneath his shirt. When he finally asks the homeowner if they would have their lawn mowed, they decline.
Hello, would you like your lawn mowed?
Oh, thank you, but no thank you.
Okay, thank you.
This video was shot in California's Yosemite National Park. While its source is unclear, it was captured at 2:17 in the morning on March 28, 2011, and it depicts some odd animals. This video from Fountain Valley, California shows someone attempting to break into these automobiles around 3 in the morning on a rainy day.
Unbelievable. Looking at the other cars too. Hope this would be his last time doing this. This guy is probably gonna look at the other cars in the street.
Watch the video below to see several burglars entering this person's home and taking some Christmas presents. This Anaheim, California, video shows several idiots looking at various vehicles. As a getaway vehicle, they had a white SUV waiting outside the scene.
Remember to always lock your car doors. If you watch the entire clip, you can see that they get into a car and drive off. Look at them go. I hope they get caught.
On Millbrook Avenue, a video was captured around 2:08 in the morning. The thief who attempted to kick down the door was recorded on the doorbell video. Watch as this jerk robs a homeowner of a package in the open air. According to Andrea Hoost, the guy was captured on camera by the Ring doorbell trying to enter her home. For some weird reason, this mom appears to believe that she has the right to make remarks about her neighbor's automobile.
Hi.
Hello?
Are you that over to the orange car up
Yes.
back?
Yeah. I know it's loud.
Really loud.
I know.
Like my windows out. I don't want it to become a problem. Is it necessary for it to be that loud?
Well, that's how the car is. It's a race car. It's gonna be like that every time I go in and out.
There's nothing you can do.
No, it's a race car. I forget in and out. I sell it.
You can't put it somewhere. I mean, like.
No, I drive that car.
Yeah, I
every
don't
day.
want it to be a problem, but
I
you're
know,
not
but
giving me anything, and it's been years.
Now listen, I'm gonna drive the car. I'm not gonna lie to you and say I'm not gonna do it, and then I'm gonna do it. I'm gonna drive the car. I go to work and I come back with it. I don't leave it running for hours. I was fixing it right now. Yeah, it's daytime.
I
Okay.
understand that. But
I
I'm
don't
trying
want
to
to
be
be asshole and all that. But go over there. I'm gonna drive the car. I just bought the car. I'm gonna have fun with it. It's my toy. I'm gonna drive my
Well, then
car.
we're gonna have to have other means of intervention here.
I'm
because
trying to
it's
say
really.
I'm gonna drive the car
I'm
to
asking
where.
you to be neighborly, and
I'm
you're
trying to.
not giving me anything.
Well, I'm not gonna lie to you and say
And
I'm not leaving the car running. I understand. I'm neighborly. I've never had a problem. I've never had anybody ring my doorbell. There's nothing I can do. It's not like I can muffle the sound. It's just a straight race car. What do you want me to do? Just tell me. What do you want me to do? Blow up the car? Throw it away? What do you want me to do with the car?
That's not my problem.
Thank you.
The homeowner's meal was delivered by a DoorDash driver who chooses to conceal the delivery to deter porch pirates. This delightfully stupid thief seems to have overlooked the fact that the homeowner has access to the Ring camera.
Hello? Hello?
Hello?
Why are you in front of my house?
I'm in front of my own house. I'm installing a door. What the hell's going on? I'm installing my door. Can you see what I'm doing? I'm in front of my own house installing this. I don't know how.
James, there's somebody in our house.
No, it's not.
Hello?
Yes, I'm not at your house. I'm at my house. I don't know how your camera is connected to my doorbell. I was just trying to set it up.
I'm gonna need you to get off my property now.
I'm not on your property, ma'am.
Why are you in front of my house?
I'm not in front of your house. Can you see what I'm pointing at?
James! There's a black man at our door. Sir? Sir! you to get off my property.
I'm not on your property.
What's your name? What is your name? What is your name?
Can you see what I'm doing? Do you see this?
No.
This is what I'm doing. This is me standing here. This is not your property, ma'am. I don't know how your Ring doorbell is connected to mine. I'm trying to figure it out. But I'm not at your house. I'm at my own property. See? Can you see?
Royal, you are... Royal!
How you connected to this? No, that's a black man in my door. How you can... This ain't one back up.
Royal!
Yeah.
It's me!
How the on here?
Bye! Bye!
No, like, what the... Why would you play with me like that? Crazy talking about it's a black guy at my door.
In this video from Glendale, Arizona, a guy is seen covering a person's doorbell camera with an envelope. Following then, the uploader's Amazon box was taken by Porch pirates. While attempting to get into this residence, this drunken man ends up passing out. The Amazon delivery person attempts to hurl this item against the homeowner's front door in this video but misses. She takes it back up and hurls it once again. This video, which was recorded in October 2022, shows a man walking toward the front entrance while wearing a black hooded jacket. He tries the doorknob once he is on the porch, but it is locked. The man then texts someone and occasionally glances behind him while he snaps shots of the residence from various angles. The uploader claims that after a minute of doing this, the man entered the backyard through the gate and carried out identical actions. A lady is seen taking some Christmas ornaments in this doorbell video. This lunatic was seen on video creeping about in this establishment without a shirt on. uploader, however, is certain that this video will land him in jail and have him ride about with his prison mate.